Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, this is where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, and that I bring certain things like this video to your attention, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. That is important for the growth of a YouTuber. So I appreciate it so much for everyone in advance that you've taken the time to do that thumbs up. And don't forget to share with me in the comments, because that's my lifeline to you guys. All right? Okay. Today, I'm really excited to have the opportunity to share this with you. When I started my YouTube channel, which is just over 2 and a bit years ago, 2.5, we're going to be in the end of the summer hitting our 3-year mark. What I saw was not being shown on here was something that was from the QVC HSN world. And that made sense because YouTube was its own world. But this was something that I thought was really important, that especially if you're subscribed to me, that I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about this. So when I presented this, when I first started about this program that is on QVC and HSN, because now that they are the same family, I'm so happy that I have the opportunity to bring more light to this. And what I'm talking about is something that they do every year, and it's called Beauty with Benefits. HSN does their own and QVC does their own. So what I do is at the beginning of when it just starts, the big event is on the 17th of March. I have all my notes here that we're going to go through here, but I want to make sure that you guys know about this. So what I do is when it first launches and they open up, they only have a handful of products available. So I take whatever is the least expensive as well as a product that I would use to be able to get the free gift. This free gift that comes in this huge box has over $180 worth of product. But what's really great about this is what it is all about. So we get the benefits of getting all these free products to be able to try for buying a product that the least expensive one that I was able to find when it first opened was $20. But I do that, and you're only allowed 1 gift per purchase. So then I go on the night of the event, because all the money and the proceeds go to this, which I want to just read to you a little bit about it, and I want to show you what I did and how I did it. But I always like to bring attention to this. Today is a Saturday, and I had no tracking or anything, and I got a couple of packages today. This is what's been going on. I'm not knowing when parcels are arriving. So I'm going to try to do these 2 videos today, but I really wanted to get this one up for sure. And it is called Beauty with Benefits, and this is the HSN one. Like I said, I also bought a product on QVC, and it actually ended up being the same product, and it was less expensive on HSN. And this is their 10th annual celebration. There's no real information in here about anything, but it does tell you the companies that it says a special thanks to these top tier gift with purchase donors who are enduring commitment as helping raise over $14 million for cancer and careers. Josie Moran, Laura Geller, Tula Skincare, Tarte, Philosophy, Mally, Wen, KORRES, Tweaked, STRIVECTIN, and PRAI. And some of these are going to be in the gift with purchase and some not, but everyone might not get exactly what I'm showing, but I'm going to show you exactly what I received today. So I was reminded by this through my magazines that I read, and I tell you all the time, I read a lot of magazines in reference to beauty. And this is, like I said, to celebrate the 10 years, and QVC and HSN, and they're saying it's a $180 value gift with purchase. So I was able to start shopping at the beginning of the month, and the information that I was able to grab off the website once it became live was this. The QVC HSN 10th annual celebration of beauty and benefits shopping starts on May the 1st, and you have to tune in on May 17th. Now they have it broken up into 2 times. So for HSN, it's open from 7 to 9 p.m. And then on QVC for their shows, it's from 9 to 11. And then it says, celebrating 10 beautiful years of empowering cancer survivors to thrive in the workplace by shopping our favorite beauty brands. Plus, we get a gift of beauty from both QVC and HSN, featuring some of the brands we know and love. And like I mentioned, it's a $180 value of the gift with purchase. And what they had written here I thought was really important. It says, a lipstick can change someone's look, but it also can change a life. It certainly can when you shop for a cause during the Beauty with Benefits event in support of cancer and careers. Its leading names in the beauty world are donating their merchandise, and 70% of our purchase price of it is going to the cancer and careers. It is their selection of beauty supplies, including makeup palettes, fragrance, skincare, body care, hair care products, and more. And it says Cancer and Careers was established by the Cosmetic Executive Women's Foundation, which is a charitable arm of the Cosmetic Executive Woman, Inc. It is a nonprofit trade organization of executives in the beauty, cosmetic, fragrance, and related industry. The Cancer and Careers program is dedicated to empowering and educating people with cancer to help them thrive in the workplace through the expert advice, interactive tools, and educational events they provide. They become the go-to resource for cancer patients and survivors nationwide. Their vision is to eliminate the fear and the uncertainty for working people with cancer. They strive to do so by offering an informative website, free publications, career coaching, and a series of support groups and educational seminars for their employees with cancer. They are healthcare providers as well as their coworkers. And simply it says, Beauty with Benefits is an extraordinary event that proves a little makeup can make a big difference, not only in the way that you feel about yourself, but also in the lives of others. Do something beautiful when you treat yourself to beauty supplies from some of the most notable names in the industry. And they're saying the purchase price will exclude the shipping and handling and tax. From what I saw on the website, all of the shipping during this event is $2. And like I said, it's one gift with one purchase. So when I made my order on HSN, it was very different than when I did it on QVC. On QVC, the email came down with the item and that I was getting this free gift. On HSN, it did not. Just the item did. So I immediately went into the chat to make sure that I did this correctly, because you have to order it under the heading where it is Beauty with Benefits. It's those items. It's not every item on their website. It's only the ones that are available under Beauty with Benefits. So I confirmed that. They said yes. They said not to worry. She checked my order, and on their side, I was getting the box. So do not worry when you order from HSN. As long as you order in the right area, you will get the gift with purchase. So this was set up where it came in a large box with that white box inside that I showed you with Beauty with Benefits. And inside was this little guy here, which is what I ordered, which I will show you. And then we'll go through all the products that are in the free gift. So what I ended up ordering for $20, which, like I mentioned, you know how I shop. I always go from low to high, but there were some fantastic kits that I was going to get as well. So I'm going to keep my eyes open on because there's some amazing deals on top of getting this free gift. There was something from Dalton that had like 3 lipsticks, 3 clean brushes, and 3 lip glosses. All of that was like $40, $44. So the deals are there. It's just you have to choose the amount that you want to spend, and then you'll end up getting the free gift. So what I ended up choosing was something that I've used in the past, and I really enjoyed it. It was from MAC, and is the Prep and Prime. It is a lip base. This was $20. I know also ColourPop does one that's far less expensive, but because this was going to the charity and I wanted to order something quickly enough that I can get this here, because you never know how long shipping takes, to be able to tell you guys about it so that you will know about it and then be able to tune in on May 17th. So like I said, HSN is the box that arrived first. When the QVC box arrives, I will do that as well and show you if anything is different in their box as well. And like me, you can order one thing on QVC and one thing on HSN, and you can end up with 2 gifts with purchase. So that is what I ended up ordering. And if you're not familiar with this product, it's simply this clear product that you put on your lips prior to your lipstick, or usually I use it when I'm using like those liquid lipsticks that can possibly dry out your lips. That is what I put on. It's almost like a primer for your lips. So this is a product that I know I will use and enjoy. And like I said, it's $20 on its own. All right, now let's go through some of the items that were in here. So the first huge item that was in the box that was making it so heavy was from this brand, that is new to me, and it was one of the names that, oh, I didn't mention it on the back here. It's called Nakery Beauty. So I'm being introduced to a new brand as well, and this is called the Skin Restore Body and Hand Wash, and it's a cleanse and hydrate. It has rose as well as romance written on here. So that was the first item that was in here. The next item that was in here is from the Wen brand, and this is their Pomagradate Rosemary Treatment Oil, and that is, it comes completely sealed up, and it comes with the little dropper that you could pull out the treatment oil. I use a lot from this brand because I used to be a very big QVC HSN shopper way before the boxes. And since the boxes, that seems to be where I do majority of my purchasing. But I learned a lot about products from them because a lot of the owners and the creators of the brands go on to these stations like HSN and QVC and really teach you about the products and everything about them. So it's a great learning as well as great deals. So this is the only product that I can think of that I really haven't tried from them. So I'm excited to have the opportunity to try a treatment oil from this brand. But I've used their shampoos that I enjoy. I've used their cleansings. I've used their body treatments. I really enjoy that brand. This is another one that I enjoy, and it is from this brand called Tweaked. And this is the original owner who developed Tweaked, was the original owner of Ojon, which I was a big believer of. And he went into the wilds and found all these fantastic areas that no one knew about and really created products from nature. And he sold it out and to a very large corporation. And then when his mother got, I think, cancer, she asked him to start developing products for her, and he did. And then we ended up with all these fantastic products from him. This one is the Wild Summer Apricot, and it's for all hair types. And this is also a product, like I said, I've had the opportunity to try his cleansers, and very similar to Wen, they don't lather up or anything like that, but I find my hair is beautiful after using these products. So when my hair gets too dried out and things like that, I always go back to these type of products. So excited this is in here for others to try. Another product that I've had the opportunity to try, and it is actually this product. It is from the brand called PRAI, P-R-A-I. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this is their Ageless Throat and Décolleté Cream. This comes, she's a fantastic lady, where she also, a great story behind her as well. This is just a beautiful cream. It is a little bit thicker because it is for the throat. I have this in a very large jar. I should have pulled it out. And I also have it where she was selling it at one point. The same, it was a little bit thinner consistency on this, that it had some roller balls on it, and I was being really, really diligent. And I always take these products with me when I'm traveling and things like that. So excited to have this in here. A product from KORRES. KORRES I got introduced to through HSN, and like I've mentioned to you on this channel numerous times, it is something that I really, really enjoy, and I definitely see beautiful benefits from their product brand. I love everything from their bath products all the way to their lotions, their cleansers, as well as a lot of their skin treatments. And this one will be a new one to me. And this one is from their White Pine collection. And it's saying it is a volumizing serum in moisturizer. That is so unique. So when I open this up, it has that safety seal in it. And it looks very similar to, I'll see if I can get this off. It looks like a cream, but from what they're saying, it will then turn into a serum. So this is fantastic for me, or it was, when I used to travel so much that I never liked to take liquids with me when I was traveling. So these type of products that could do double duty, like a serum and a moisturizer, it immediately melts into your skin. And there is no scent to this at all. So really excited about that. The next item in here is another brand that I learned a lot about, and I think it was on QVC, but they're now owned under the QVC umbrella, HSN is. So this is from STRIVECTIN. It is an anti-wrinkle intense eye, and it says concentrate plus for wrinkles. It says it will reduce the look of lines, and that is an eye cream in here. So that is what we're getting from STRIVECTIN. So it comes in the full retail box, and this is the tube inside. The next item that was in here was that brand that I really enjoy. And again, this I got introduced to through the channels. And this is from NASSIF MD. And it is his Dawn to Dusk Exfoliate and Cleanse AM and PM Cleanser. This is the packaging that it came in. And this is the huge, what we're getting here. And it says how to use, apply a dime size amount onto damp skin, gently massage into your face until the cleanser foams, then rinse with water or a damp cloth. So that is the next item that we have here. Then we got something also from a brand that I got introduced to from the channel, and it is from Beekman. This is the company that does, they have a goat farm. Their story is also fantastic. And when they're on, they usually bring a couple of their baby goats with them, and they are so precious. But their products are really, really good too. And it started with their soaps. And what's amazing about this one is their brown sugar pumpkin goat milk. So first of all, the packaging is stunning. I had to open up a little bit to see and get a peek. It is wrapped inside here, but if you open just the end of this, you can smell the pumpkin and the spice. So really excited about that one. Then on top of it, we got 2 packages here from Tula. They're saying it is the Instant Facial Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. So we got 2 of those. And then we got this item here from Too Faced. And Too Faced does such a great job on HSN. They have such a strong relationship with them. So if you're ever looking for Too Faced, always check HSN. I've shared with you on the channel when I get those fantastic deals, and I really do from HSN and Too Faced. And this one says it is called Cocoa Cream. It comes in this container here, and this is the packaging that was inside of it, and it says it's a 24-hour crease-proof, waterproof long wear, and it's a matte eyeshadow. So that is what it looks like here, and I will open this up and we'll do a quick swatch of this. I think the color is perfect if you want to use this also as a primer, and that is what I share with you all the time. So when I get colors like this, that's what I do with them. So you're able to put this on your lids. So if you have any discoloration and you put this on your lids, and it will even out everything on your eyelid. And then this never creases, these type of products. So they're fantastic as primers as well. So if you don't have time for eyeshadow and you just want to cover up any discoloration on your eyelids, you put this on, you put your mascara on, and then you're out the door. So that is what this one is here. And then this product was in here as well. And this is the cutest. It is a small brush with a keychain, and it is from that brand called Wet. And what this is a special brush, and I have this in the larger size as well, that this is a brush that you can use as a comb when your hair is wet to brush out your hair and not have to worry about anything. It's developed with a special nubs on the top here that helps brush your hair out when it is wet. So that is what the last item in this box was. So that's everything that I wanted to share with you guys today. I definitely wanted to share this information. As again, I'm going to mention, it's called Beauty with Benefits. This is the HSN box that came first. Please check out the website. Like I said, make sure you're in the section that says Beauty with Benefits. That's where you have to do the shopping from. And if there's nothing there that catches your eye right now, wait until May 17th, when those times are. With HSN at 7 to 9, and then with QVC it is at 9 to 11. This is at nighttime, PM, Eastern Standard Time. And you will see so many products, but they go quick. So you have to make up your mind. Now, when they're just tripling in products now, this is when you have time to really sit back and make some decisions. So if something catches your eye now, like I had to for having the channel and wanting to share it with you guys, I ordered something right away, and then I will definitely be tuning in on the 17th to see what else they have to offer, because no matter what, 70% of the proceeds go to this fantastic organization. So please share with me in the comments if you were aware of this, or on my channel, this is where you're finding out a lot more information. So share in the comments down below, and I will see you all soon again in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.